Sometimes life hits you hard, not just a stumble, a collapse. The kind of fall that makes you question who you are, where you're going, and if you'll ever get there at all. But let me remind you of something simple, something powerful. You are not finished. You're not your worst day. You're not the mistakes you made, the people who left, or the opportunities you missed. You are what you choose to become now. Comebacks don't start with fireworks. They start in silence, in quiet decisions, like getting up, like trying again, like refusing to stay broken. You rebuild brick by brick, one day, one step, one choice at a time. You train your mind to believe again. You push your body to move again. You allow your heart to feel again, not with fear, but with hope. And the world might not notice at first. That's okay. This journey isn't for them, it's for you. Because every scar has a story, and every setback is setting you up for a stronger return. So breathe, stand tall. You're not starting over, you're starting wiser. This is not the end. This is your rebirth. And you're not just coming back, you're coming back stronger.